Come test drive the 2019 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 500 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, Bose sound system, power liftgate, power passenger seat, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener, 8 speakers. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.